it's Julie from Sow and Grow. Today I want to show you how to make a farm for your salad and your radishes using all green cartons like this one. What we're going to need is pencils, plant labels, some seeds, so I've got radish here and some rocket, but any kind of salad works, a pair of scissors, old milk carton, a bigger one like a litre is better, and some compost and some water for later. So the first step will be to take your milk carton with the smaller bit at the top and cut it around following the edge. So this is what I'm going to do now. So once you're done, you might notice that it's not clean, so you do want to give it a little rinse. Once it's nice and clean, you want to fill it with some good quality compost. So normally we would use seed sowing compost, but not on this occasion. We would also normally in any other container put holes at the bottom, but we're not going to do that here. So you've got your container and you're just going to fill it with good quality compost. Almost right to the very top. Once you fill it, you're going to do a little tap, 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 tap to break all the bubbles inside, because you want to make sure there's no air bubbles before you sow any seeds. If there's any big chunk like that, you want to take that out. Right, so see, when I've tap, 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 it's gone a bit lower, so I'm going to add a little bit more to get quite close to the top. Here we go. Right, it's now full. Now we're going to take our seeds and do the seed sowing. So I'm going to use my radish seeds. The trick with those is to never drop seeds from the pot, from the packet itself. What you want to do is put some seeds in your hand and then sow from your hand. So you're going to drop some seeds in there, and you can see radishes are gorgeous little bubbles, like little balls. They're really pretty. So each one of them will make a full radish. And then what you want to do is drop the seeds regularly, a bit like that, in like 2 rows. And seeds generally needs to be put as deep as their own height. So in that case, because radishes seed are so very, very small, you don't need to put them very, very deep. So that's it, you're done. You put your seeds back into the seed bag. And now we're just going to add a little bit of soil on the top to cover them. So remember, seeds need to be buried their own depth. So in here, it's very little depth. So we're just putting a little bit of compost on top, just to cover it. Tap, tap, tap. Nicely pressing down. And then what we should not forget is 1, a label and write down what it is, and 2, some water. So for the label, what you want to write on your label is the type of plant. So this is radish we have sown, what kind of radish, those are called bright lights, and the date of today, very important. Is ready. And now I'm going to water these. So because I've got a very big watering can, I'm going to put it on the floor and water it there. So you start with your watering can away, and once you have water like rain, you bring it over on there. And you can count until 4, and then you're done. And here is your mini farm. Now what you want to be careful with that is that you don't want to water it too much, because it doesn't have drainage. You don't need to put it on a plate or anything, but you need to make sure it doesn't get soggy bottoms. Soggy bottoms are not good for cooking and they're not good for gardening. So make sure it doesn't get too much water. So to check that, you just do your finger test, you put your finger in, and if it feels dry, you water. If it still feels moist, no need to water. And that's it. Your little radish or salad farm should germinate within a week. Thanks guys!